Politricks watch. This is RP. Now, today, I'm going to be talking about the quote-unquote escapees. I say quote-unquote because escape make it sound like, say, there was some kind of, grand, plot, and them bamboozle the police and the jail, and everybody was caught off guard. Make it sound like, it was all on the jailers. This wasn't an escapee. This was straight up corruption. Straight up wanga got crooked and squaddies in association with these jailers and make them go on the road. This is my opinion as a local YouTuber who may or may not have experience when it comes down to certain things. If you're going to see any real changes in the JCF, police are going to start get jail over upper camp. Yes, JCF members are going to start get jail over upper camp. You might have heard about the red fence. Not civilian jail because that's too easy for boss. Hold on by them two there, them lawyer come out, habeas corpus maximus prime. Man. No. I talk about red fence. Matter of fact, all personnel, JCF, corrections, red fence. They catch water or the certain things. Man, red fence. Because at the moment, JDF soldiers can be jailed. Military jail, not civilian jail. Then a soldier can tell you the last place you want to go, red fence. Life must nice. They can come out with these ridiculous stories claiming some man escaped from this jail of all jail, under these circumstances. I go show now some pictures of which part the man them cut through, and when I go tell you, say them they hear nothing, then I see nothing. Police are going to start get jail. I go tell you now who them leg up on the road. One of them, you know him all too well. I couldn't believe when I see the name. This is why I tell you, say them have to get jail because it's too serious. All of them man, they on extremely serious charges. All them man are probably are witnesses. Probably witnesses who up on the road right now. Who thinks the man that jail and knows the man get for. And the first thing he gonna look for, guess what, him witness. There are probably people on the road who think, say, oh no man, ain't gone, the man they gone now, so we can lie down in bed. Peaceful, we can start open my window at night time. We can't really open the whole door, we can open the window because such man gone to jail in on the road. Listen to the people them will get let go. Listen to them charges. Oral cool. And by the way, for me going for them, see JCF release some pictures on them page. Not for the man them not even one picture them about. Just one name. Just one name. Are they trolling? How much troll them a troll? This can't be real life. How lazy / incompetent do you have to be to not find time to take a pic of somebody having custody? So if that person pops back up on the radar, you know who to look for. Or who are running them station now? Or who are running a pitney running might as well with us hand over these stations to some children. Because probably get the same results, but at least then we're going to say well a pitney and pitney got them down the sense sometimes, so we can understand. At least we'll have the excuse of a pitney. But this level of incompetence, the JCF put out escapee and this big open slot that even one face, they won't even draw one stick man night. Just draw one stick man, so maybe people can say, oh, that stick man they look familiar. What are we supposed to do with this? People who don't know, them man, what are they supposed to do with this? Bro, who is in charge? Who is in charge? It's a circus. Anyway, Matter of fact, why is the police commissioner not? Whoever in charge of this, the police commissioner should be on the phone to them immediately. Asking the question, I'm gonna take this thing for a joke. Man escape, I'm not put out picture. I'm not put out, profile of name and say this, and it's a big open slot. What is the public supposed to do with that? The public is supposed to look at the name and know who? Them big wigs and big stripes in the JCF will start earning them salary sooner or later. Because at the end of the day, this is freedom leadership. Come on, if me can be police commissioner and see something like this, and a man tell me anything except when him go resign. That's the whole thing he can tell me. Anyway, listen to the charges. Oral call from Manchester. Charged with robbery and aggravation. Onward Hines. You ready for this one? Let me come from a whole heap of place. Newmarket, St. Elizabeth, Maroon Town, St. James, and all Manchester, I'm all over the place. He was arrested and charged for a quadruple murder. Quadruple, that's 4. He was on not double murder, no, not triple murder, but quadruple, 4 people. That's who they make, quote unquote, escape. Richard Brown from Middle Quarter, St. Elizabeth. What him needing there for? Robbery with aggravation. Javon Sims from St. James. What was he in there for? Murder. Alaric Hutchinson, St. Elizabeth. What was he in there for? Robbery with aggravation. Notice not one of them men they on a petty charge. Not one of them men they on a petty charge. Hear the rest. Kenneth Stewart, Beacon Hill, St. Catherine. What was he in there for? Murder. Dean Simpson, right, from Manchester. What was he in there for? Rape a bull and robbery with aggravation. Right. So, lock up on the girl Pitney. Right. Because him back on the road. Thanks to your favorite quote unquote lawman down at St. Elizabeth. The name of my left last is a name I must know. I couldn't believe it when I see it. I couldn't believe it. Demar, the Klansman. Demar, aka Baby Killer. Remember I warned about that? I warned about Demar before he come back on the road. And he come back on the road, come start by the shooting and the killing. And immediately go back to jail and know him back on the road again. Quote unquote escape. JCF officers will start getting jailed. I'm gonna say red fence, right, military jail have to go start before all service personnel, JCF warder. And because whoever is quote unquote in charge is supposed to come in the next day, you see the man escape, look around and see what happened, hear the story and say right, the whole of them know they're on duty, going on up park camp. He get it a hand a long time, but now it's too brazen. One time this used to happen whole heap way, especially along a hunts behind them place there. Yes, oh, we just turn around and we see one hole in the wall. And a one day story. And them sitting and them realize the Jamaican public don't care. The Jamaican public don't make a fuss and demand answers and demand accountability. Why? So much quote unquote escape are going on and look what he said. It can't possible. If you're in a jail, I pull that off. Squaddy must have helped them. We need answers, we demand answers. But them realize all they care about is entertainment and gimmicks. So they must do it again and again. But they never stop do it until man starts sleep over upper camp. Until man starts sleep over red fence. But that not gonna happen because we know some jokers are on the show. Right? Just take turns to be who is the latest joker. It's like 2 drunk men in a car. None of them can see what them go. None of them know what them do. But then just take turns. Alright, me in the passenger seat now and you drive. Alright. Every minute the car look up. Bloop, 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 bloop. Alright, you drive now. Bloop, bloop, bloop. So I go down the road. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Because they can't convince me that people who claim they're so educated can I run a ship like this? Cause I feel them ship. You think say can use AXA and do that? The man them have some serious welding too. The man them must say I work with welding touch, not even one of the construction now them kind of tool. Look on the steel beam where the man then cut through. Look how smooth it cut. That ain't an AXA. The amount of noise we're supposed to make when this are cut. The amount of noise. And if you know how this jail set up, this is one of the last jail there should be a jailbird. If you don't know how it's set up. This is an unspear where those chop through us and disappear through there so. This a jail here. Let me say, everybody on duty need to go sleep up at upper camp for at least a month. Until the man start talk. I can't believe this. But then again, as me say, I can. Come like when you have one pitney, and deep down you know say pitney is slow like molasses. But keep tell yourself say, no man, you have to look over up. Yeah. Maybe this time you can scrape through 51%. And then when you look you say 12. Right? And you say 12%, you can't believe this. And then you say then again, I can. Sooner or later you have to go realize say, the child is not cut out for this, so maybe find something else even though. That's how we have to go start looking at it. And people here who claim say in charge of looking after this and running this and enforcing this and policing this and leading this, we will just find something else to get them to do. Because what they are tasked to do, either them can do it or them don't want to do it. Come on, I have to start going to jail. Anyway, Agent Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, whole life. Soldier Squad, stay circling. Blessed.